Day 3. Breakfast muna. Tapos, balik, kain mo kami. Tapos, balik room and then baba. 9:30. Thank you. This place is new than yesterday. Okay. So, this is our view. Now. So, that's view. This is the coffee station. Kuha si Daddy. Cappuccino. Okay. So, kuha na tayo ng food. I need rice for bebe muna. I think the white rice is over there. I think it's there. Time kapag gawa muna tayong omelette. Get to Sunnyside. Done. Ayan. Actually, hindi sila marunong. Kahit sa English, hindi sila makaintindi. Ang hirap talaga ng language barrier na. So, ayan. So, ang uso dito is turo-turo na lang. So, may intindihan kanila doon sa turo-turo. Makeup room. Second day ng tour. Actually, day 3 namin sa Taiwan. Oo, paulit-ulit lang to hanggang makauwi. Pero syempre, iba-iba yung pupuntahan natin. So, naka-comfy shoes kami ngayon. Oh, yan. Hindi muna kami nag-boots. Tapos naka-black kami lahat. Kaming tatlo naka-black. Here. So where are we? Wow. Yes, and for them, they will come. You come.
Is that the one?
It's
Okay.
this street.
Okay, there's a rally,
Yeah.
huh?
And we will in Taiwan. We will throw the egg to the building
Okay.
to complain our government. High school in Taiwan
Oh,
For female.
for female. So
Female only.
most of the doctor is from this high school.
Bebe, I think you better go to school here.
No, thank you. Okay, we're going there. Saglit lang, magpipicture lang kami. Come on, go, walk. Dali! Hindi ko na sa pupunta. Ay, nasunod ka kay Jack. Okay, we are here in Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Okay. Okay, nandito na tayo kay Chiang Kai-shek. Nandito pa. We need to go over here.
Yeah,
Okay.
the Democracy Boulevard.
This is the map.
So, kung nandito
Okay.
tayo, dapat kaya ilikot ganun.
Oh, pwede mo po ba kaming i-tour, Miss? Up! Bawa! It's so big. Iba yung feeling na nandito ka tapos yung napapanood mo lang. Ibang-iba talaga. So, let's go. Itutour ko kayo ulit. Nandito na tayo ngayon kay Chiang Kai-shek. So, enjoy the vlog, guys! Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to my channel, Jenny Lindy, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga vlog na ina-upload ko. Thank you sa aking mga subscribers. Shout out sa inyong lahat and happy holidays sa inyong lahat. So, ayan o. Here, ang ganda, grabe. Binaba ni Jackie, tapos naglakad tayo ngayon. 'Di ba? Tapos hindi pa siya ganun kamahal. Kaya sa mga beginner na gustong magpunta ng out of the country, ito ang maire-recommend ko sa inyo, ang Taiwan. Ayan na oh. Ito na tayo kay Chiang Kai-shek. So, anong masasabi mo ngayon na nandito na tayo kay Chiang Kai-shek?
Nice.
I'm a human drone.
One, two, nakagawa ka na?
Yeah. First president niya ng Taiwan. Yeah. Palapit na tayo ng palapit. Palapit na tayo ng palapit. Yeah. Okay ba? Start counting. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hinga. Ilan na? 46. Kaya pa? 84 steps! 84 steps! That's Chiang Kai-shek from... Ayan, siya na yan. Actually, fam, meron silang elevator and there's a souvenir shop dun sa paglabas mo ng elevator. Souvenir shop. Oh, ayan oh. Ayun, dun. Yeah. So, gawi ka dun. This is the That's him. Shankar. Wow. Akalain mo yun. And ayun pa iba. Ganda, no?
Trời ơi, ông đại luôn.
So they have souvenir shops here. And meron din silang, ayun oh, Coco. So ito yun.
Thank you.
So ano-ano yung nabili nyo?
This
So many stuffs.
This one.
We're here na guys. Ayan, ang Taipei 101. Nagpark lang si Jackie. We're gonna walk across.
They're saying Jackie.
So, lumipat kami sa may kabilang building. Ito, marami naman ditong tabi-tabing mall na pwede kang pumili. So, let's go. Akit tayo. Kasi nandun yung ibang restaurants. So, we're gonna have lunch here sa Breeze Mall. Okay, Chinese restaurant. And this is beef beside me. And the server, AI. There. Naaaliw siya kanina pa. There. And meron silang drink na ganito. I think it's vinegar. Pero okay naman yung lasa niya. Masarap. Hey! Hintayin mo dito. There you go. We ordered yam chow, the string beans, and chicken, and the beef, and pork.
And vegetables.
Yeah. Put it in your mouth. Nice. Look at the clock. Ito na yung ano, kung gusto nyo idea kung magkano yung akit sa 101 tower, yung observatory, yung price. Okay. Okay, nagpa-picture kami. Doon kami galing. Ayan, doon yung picture taking. It's too fast. So it's 37 seconds. And look at the view. So, ayun yung dalawa. Oh, it's cloudy talaga. Yeah. Are you okay? Look at the view. Oh my. Wait, pero gumagalaw siya. Why is it moving?
It's moving. Or maybe.
It's all white. Oh, I see it.
Me?
No. Okay.
You see what? Did you see me? Doon. Wala na?
Wait lang. All my glasses. Oh, not close yet. Nah. Wala na.
Dream High Exhibition. Ooh, it's Dream High Exhibition 101. Ah. Wow.
妹妹喝一口。没有，他都喝比较多。真的。哎呀，他们两个都是这样子，都不觉得别人喝比较多，你觉得吗？
Sense of Taiwan Gold Forest. What's the smell?
Patay na.
What? Bawal umupo doon? Okay. Okay. Another one. Okay na. Okay. Game more. Okay, one more.
Yellow one.
One more. Alright. Oh. Two red.
And one
No more green.
My favorite song is. I like this song so much. It's really funny. You use it on some people, and I use it on my dreams.
What's that?
I use it as
Alright. Oh, yung ano dito, yung parang sa earthquake. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Look. We got that one, the hidden edition.
We got this one.
That's the one, the hidden edition.
So you see that? This one, the hidden edition. Right there.
And we got it.
We got it. So cool.
Dream High Exhibition. Kapag may earthquake, guys, gagalaw yan. So, ngayon, wala siyang earthquake, kaya steady lang siya. Ganun siya kalaki. As a mass tension ball.
Spine.
Hidden edition.
Hidden edition.
电梯即将下楼。Elevator is going down. 계단이 많이 내려갑니다. 您可以吞咽口水以减缓耳朵的不适。You may swallow to equalize your pressure. 미미가 이타쿠나무 바이 부담을 컨택하세요. 이가 모험하시면 침을 삼키세요. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your visit. 어객선화 아리가또 고자이마시다. 방문해 주셔서 감사합니다.
Okay. We're done. Pabalik na kami. Lipat na kami sa Siminding. Okay. And then night market. Ding-ding. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon. Inaantay ko lang namin si Jackie. Guys, andito yung yung modern toilet na sikat na kinakainan. There. Look at the street. Okay, cute. This is the main area of Siminding, and then the park, Pop Mart is there. Nakikita ko na siya. The Pop Mart. Happy na yung isa dyan. gaano kahaba ngayon ang pila dyan. Ang cute niya, oh. Oh. Nakita. Ay, sorry.
This is my favorite.
Grabe, ang daming tao. Ito na yun. Ang night market. We just walk. And ayan yung nabili ni Viv sa Pop Mart. This is the #1 chicken here in Taiwan. Ayan. #1 fried chicken. Ang pila. Ayan, haba. Oh. Bili kami, try namin. Asa? Wow. Edge chicken. Our tour guide suggest this milk tea kasi ito daw yung masarap na local na milk tea dito. So try natin kung talagang masarap nga siya. Ayan, baka gusto nyo dito, may hotel dito kung saan kami nakaupo habang inaantay si Jackie. Tapos pag nirecho mo yan, swimming din na yan. Ayan na yan.